Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use a Mac computer to print. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a printer which is wireless or wired. In this tutorial, we will be using a wireless printer connected with our Wi-Fi using the IP address. So we can change according to what we are connected to. So we can now go all the way down to the dock. Before we do that, make sure you are connected to the correct Wi-Fi. Let's just turn the Wi-Fi off, turn Wi-Fi on, and then connect to the required Wi-Fi. Once that's done, we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, navigate to the folder that has the information we wish to print. I'll just go to the eBay folder, click on sold, 2x mesh, and we are printing 2 documents. Let's just print the second one for this video. Go to file, print. Yes, we are connected to the correct printer. So now it would be the time to click on print. As we can see, that was sent to the printer, so I can now bring the document. Quick preview, minimize, Finder. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now.